Hail can really damage your car, but we have a solution. Just like that right there. Can you imagine if your car is not being covered, that kind of damage it can do? Barrett Roush with Dent Mavericks joins me to tell us about how we can get those dents out of our car, because I do have a few too.
Absolutely, yes.
I'm a little disappointed by that, but I know that you have a solution, so explain what you do.
So we specialize in automotive hail damage repair. Amongst many other things that we're able to do, hail damage is our forte. So being in basically the #1 area for hail, this is our specialty, and we love helping people like yourself.
Okay, well, a lot of people, I think, when it comes to your car, the first thing they think is, oh no, it's going to affect my insurance. Will my insurance go up?
So there's a lot of ways to look at that question.
Okay.
As long as you have full coverage insurance, there's two pieces to it. You have collision, you have comprehensive. Hail damage is a peril that falls under the comprehensive side of your insurance plan. So typically what happens, whenever you have hail damage, you'll file your comprehensive claim. Well, comprehensive claims don't raise your rates. So collectively, your rates are going to be affected. However, for your specific claim, it will not.
Okay, good to know. You broke that down really well for us.
You.
Thank you so much. And how long will it take? I have some hail damage in my car from about maybe 2 or 3 years ago. It's so subtle, though. That's why I didn't really care to kind of like, it's okay. You know, I will notice. But if I wanted to come to you, if and when, how long will it take?
So there's a couple factors that take place into that question. Okay. Now, our average is about 5 to 7 days. Even with the current storm, we had about 70 cars drop off in 10 days. We had cars coming in on tow trucks. We're still getting cars done in 5 to 7 days. So a lot of times with your situation, with it being so light, we're not going to have it that long. So we should have it done in a little less than 5 to 7 days.
Kind of case by case, I'm sure.
Exactly.
Will this affect the resale value of my car?
Depends on if you fix it or not. If you're planning to trade it in with the damage, these repairs usually cost about $5,000 to $7,000. So my suggestion is to get it fixed. Your rates aren't going to be affected. This is one of the only times that you can use insurance where it doesn't affect you. Go ahead and get it fixed. We'll also get all the door dings out. We're going to wash it and detail it. We're going to get it ready for trade-in. So
the dings out too.
Oh, yeah.
You're speaking my language right now,
love
Barrett.
helping people. So any opportunity that we get, we're looking for the long-term relationship here. This isn't a quick one and done.
Okay.
We want you to always think about us in the future. So
well, for those who might be on the fence right now or just kind of shopping around to get some dents out of their car,
sure.
What makes you different than the other competitors?
Customer service, 100%. I give you my personal cell phone number. It's on all my business cards. If you ever need to get in touch with me,
That's serious.
I'm available. I also have people at my office, at my shop that are available, that are there to help. And that's one thing that we strive to put at the forefront of our mission, is to make sure that our customers are taken care of. Every car we treat as if it's our own. And you'll see that. Give us a chance to prove it. I bet you will.
What would you say the #1 reason is people wait so long? Kind of like me. And I'll tell you my reason. It's just kind of like I keep putting it off. It still drives just fine, and it's paid off. But why else are people kind of procrastinating getting these things fixed?
So a lot of times customers are nervous that their rates are going to go up. A lot of times customers can't afford their deductibles. Well, your rates don't go up for hail. It's comprehensive. We cover your deductible. So it's a win-win for you.
What do you have to lose here?
It's a win-win.
And on top of that, you actually have a special just for Good Morning Texas viewers.
Exactly.
That's nice. What is it?
We're going to give you a $50 Visa gift card. So just mention GMT. Come by, drop your car off with us. You get a $50 Visa gift card when you drop it off.
Hold on. So we're going to have basically a brand new car, and then you're going to buy us our dinner.
Exactly.
Or, I don't know, something at the mall.
$50 doesn't buy much for dinner in Dallas, but
I mean, but if you're eating by yourself like I do, that buys me a few dinners.
It's a win-win.
Where are you going to eat, sir? Okay, thank you for that. A $50 Visa gift card. That is awesome. So give Dent Mavericks a call. Here's the number. You have so much to gain. 469-547-1336. Also, the website is dentmaverick.com.